Alright guys, we are at one of our vending locations. It is 7:40 in the morning, and we're about to go crush this Yeah, I did say that. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? This is my lovely wife. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we are back and we are going to be changing out a few things in this vending machine, trying to figure out what the people like, and we are also going to be adding a light to brighten that bad boy up to make it look better. Okay, let's go. I really hope this is the right light.
What if it's not?
You should be. Are you recording this?
How will you know for sure that it wasn't, though?
Look, it's not.
Wow, so look at this dude. I'm pretty sure I'm going to bring out a light that's been needed to be brought out for a month, but it doesn't even fit. I mean, at least he tried, right?
Damn it.
What gave you the idea that that light bulb was the one? You know what I mean? Yeah, that would have totally given me the idea, too, that that light bulb was the one. Popcorn.
We're going to be adding these P3 protein packs. Adding them bad boys in there. Let's see how these do.
Personally, I think they're delicious. Maybe you could put like the protein packs and the jerky in the same thing, and then the popcorn in one. I don't know. Keep it how it is. Keep it how it is.
I was trying to see if any of the jerky.
Babe, what's your favorite thing in this machine? If you were gonna buy something from this machine, what would be your go-to snack?
Right here, the oatmeal cream pies.
Should have knew. Are those the big boys?
Those are the big ones.
Looks like you already took a bite out of that one. What do you think that what sells the least in this machine?
Not a single one of these trail mixes is sold.
Or like what? This is the big ass bag of. Like who wouldn't want this big bag?
Yeah, not one of those is sold either. I did just put it in on like Thursday or whatever it was.
I mean, there's not like how many employees are even at this location though? There's not a lot, is there?
Like 20.
Yeah, see. So what are you gonna switch out the trail mix for? Oh, crackers. Okay. Cheddar cheese, cheddar. Did you ever see the Goofy movie?
Yeah.
Okay. You said you just come out here Thursday?
It was Wednesday or Thursday, and I added, I refilled the pastries, added the, hot Cheetos, and put in the gummy bears and the, what's it called? The Kind bars. Alright, so we are going to be adding in these crackers. Again, I am just trying to figure out what these guys like. If you want to look over there, I wrote suggestions, and nobody fills out nothing. Wah, wah, wah. I'm just gonna show you. Then when I try to do it.
Okay. Or does it? Boom, boom, boom. Look, there's even still. Oh, that's never mind. That's his quarters thing. Just kidding.
That's really weird.
Try it again. One more time.
Why would it be doing that? Yeah. Say something changed. Alright. So, one of the employees just told me that there's a problem that this will not take, they can't put money in it. So when they put a dollar bill in it, it'll accept the dollar bill and then it kicks back 4 quarters. So 4 quarters will come back out instead of it taking the dollar and letting them make a selection. So they can't make a selection because I have no clue why. Has anybody had that problem? If you have had that problem, drop a comment down below and let me know what the problem was.
So what's the problem? Is just spitting the money back out?
It's just spitting the money back out. It won't take the dollar. They can't make a selection.
So
here, we are gonna try it out and see. You not like money? Darn it! It don't like money. We are looking at the pop machine. As you can see, Pepsi is still up. Mountain Dew sold a lot. The Dr. Pepper Diet Mountain Dew and the root beer is down. Next time I come, I'm going to need to refill those, especially this Mountain Dew and this Diet Mountain Dew. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that the Diet Mountain Dew is up to here. Come here. Come here, babe. I'm not going to be collecting money today. We'll save that for another 2 weeks, but that is how much is in it for 2 weeks. You see? 2 weeks. And then, this is the change. 2 weeks. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put some quarters in the, probably about 8 quarters. 1. I just put 10 quarters in there just to make sure it's up. And one thing I want everybody to know, if you own these vending machines, be on the lookout for coins that are silver. It'll sound different. It sounds different than regular coins rubbing together. That's one way, just one way to tell. But there's an era of coins that is made of silver. And they're worth more than the face value.
I have no idea why you just got so close. You have to realize when the camera's sideways, you're already magnified closer.
I was trying to,
No, I'm just letting you know. Your girl just seen up your nose. It's awesome. That stand right there, that means business. You see that 1 foot pointed? What?
What'd you say?
What did you say? fighting with the machine, huh?
I like to double, triple, quadruple check. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, babe, stop recording. I'm gonna go get a pallet.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Pump it up.
All right. Now, the end pieces to my machine, they're stuck, so I can't twist them out to make it go up and down. So one of them, it's crooked, so I have to put shims underneath it. And the shims that I put underneath it, they've one, it was metal, but then the rest was cardboard, and the cardboard is all messed up now. So I got something better. So let's go. Let's do this. What's it? This is what it is.
How would you say the stability is now, sir?
Still one. All right, guys. So, I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue how I fixed it, but we got it figured out. What I did is I disconnected all the wires, turned this bad boy off, let it sit off for a good 5-10 minutes, hooked all the wires back up, then I turned it on, and your boy magically fixed it. I have no clue what happened. If you guys know why it was doing that, you drop a comment down below and let your boy know. Okay, so if you know why it was doing that, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Also, we're done here. I'm gonna restock all the product. What we do, $7-10?
Maybe, yeah.
We went through, made random selections at random and made sure it fixed, and it accepted. It wasn't giving back 4 quarters, so woo! We got it! We got it. Okay, we're done, sorry. Oh God, there's a guy walking by. Anyways, we're done. We're done at this location. Just coming here to stock. I really wanted to put that light, and that light, totally wrong size.
I wonder why.
All right.